So, paano nga ba mag-fill out ng Taiwan Online Arrival Card? So, dun sa official na arrival card website, makikita nyo itong page na to. Make sure na tama yung page na pinupuntahan nyo para hindi kayo ma-scam or maloko sa mga fake na websites. If magsasubmit ka pa lang for the first time for your upcoming trip, just choose Submit Arrival Card. Papakita niya dito sino ba yung mga kailangan mag-submit, and for Filipinos, kahit visa exempt tayo, kailangan pa rin natin mag-submit ng Taiwan Online Arrival Card. Tapos, tap mo lang yung Start. Kailangan mo maglagay ng email address to get a verification code para alam na tama yung email address na nilalagay mo. Once na verified na yung email address, makikita mo tong part na to na Lead Traveler. So, ikaw yung nagre-register for you or for your group. Meron kang choice to just import a copy of your passport tapos mag-autofill na yung ibang parts of the form. Pwede mo rin namang manually i-input na lang. Sa date of entry, dito mo lalagay kailan yung arrival mo in Taiwan. If you notice, 3 days lang yung options kasi you can only fill it out 3 days prior to your arrival in Taiwan. English name is your full name. Chinese name, pwede mo na i-leave na blank. Your passport number, passport expiry, and then date of birth, nationality, place of birth, etc. Medyo straightforward naman to lahat. The important part is this one, visa type. So for this one, up until July 2026, Filipinos, you can choose no visa. Sa visa type, choose visa exempt. Then input lang the rest of information like mobile number, occupation, and yung email address na nilagay mo kanina. Dito sa next page, tatanungin ka na about your itinerary, specifically yung modes of transportation. So yung entry mode of travel, most likely via air, so you just tap air. Tapos, lagay mo yung flight code. Kunyari, if you're flying via PAL, lagay mo lang yung PR. Tapos, select mo na yung airline. Tapos, maglalagay ka lang ng number ng flight number. Kung ano yung flight number na nasa ticket mo. Sa exit mode, ganun din. So, air. Tapos, kunyari, sa PAL ka rin, PR, lalagay mo lang din yung flight number mo. Dami lang itong mga nilalagay ko. So, ilalagay mo dito is kailan ka lalabas ng Taiwan. Sa purpose of visit, marami kang choices dito, pero if you're going here naman para lang magbakasyon, you can just choose sightseeing, travel, or leisure. Sa accommodation naman, you can just choose kung ano yung applicable. In my case, usually hotel. Tapos lalagay mo lang yung name and address of the hotel. So, hindi ko na iko-kompleto, pero kunyari lang ito. Yan. So, pag na-fill out nyo na yung page 2, just tap next. Tapos, makikita nyo na yung summary ng lahat ng input na nilagay nyo from the start. So, kung tama naman lahat ng information and na-review mo na, just check this box and click submit. So, you should be getting a copy of your Taiwan arrival card sa email, and yun yung ipapakita mo just in case hanapin. Hope this helps. More travel soon!